guys. So every Sunday is our family fun day. So we pick somewhere fun to take the kids. So today, Sophia has no idea, but we're taking her to Nickelodeon World, I think it's called, Nickelodeon Universe. I don't know, I think it's an American Dream Mall in Jersey, so we're taking her there. Went to my morning yoga. I actually meant to vlog my entire day for you guys, but I was running late, so I didn't get to do that. Went to yoga, showered, got ready, got the kids ready, and now we're headed out. Go back home. I'm just kidding. So we're going to Nickelodeon Universe. We're gonna see Bubble Guppies. We're gonna see Paw Patrol. We're gonna see PJ Masks.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob. Oh, now we're not at Bar. He said it's superhero. Give her a book.
Open, please.
Open, please.
Open.
Thank you.
I didn't even say
Kyle
please.
did it.
Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Like the ride you went on?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You cried. Gabriel. Gabriel, look at hi. Look at hi. What you with this? Go, 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 go. Fuck it out. Let me see. Yeah. She got the monkey. Go stand next to Angelica. Tommy Pickles and his dog. And Angelica Pickles. Do you guys want to be that for Halloween?
Supposed
Here. Sentence, sticker, transform.
That's in a different language, that part. You want that?
Yes, I want
Okay, you sure?
it. Yes.
Final answer? Okay, go. Do you like that? No? Okay, so what do you like? Do you like this? Do you like the coloring stuff? No? Okay, so show me what you like. Let's go. He wants a toy. He doesn't want kinetic sand. Say thank you for your blanket, Ella. Sophia, did you have a good day?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when I went to the spot that all of us went to. When I went to the
Oh,
spot
the little playground area?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's my favorite part.
Okay. And we're home. Gabriel, did you have fun? You had a good day? I'm super tired. It's time for bed.
And these are uncomfortable.
Okay. I probably have sleep marks on my face because I was literally sleeping in the car for the last like 20 minutes. Yeah, we were too tired to record the food coming out, so didn't record it. We just ate. We were so hungry. So hungry. Starving. We took a wrong turn and it took us another like 25 minutes because there was a football game going on next door at the stadium, and everybody came out at the time that we left Nickelodeon World, so we were stuck in like 40 minutes of traffic just to get something to eat from 5 minutes away. So yeah, we ate quickly and then we headed home. It was a great day. Kids had a blast, and that's it for this one. See you guys next time. Bye.